Hey, thanks everybody for watching today. I'm with All Star Medical. My name's Kevin Brown, and we're going to talk about the Zoomer and the Zinger. These are two of the most popular chairs that you're going to see on the market right now because of their portability. They're a little different in the way you drive, but they're very similar in most every other aspect other than just the way you drive. So you've probably heard the word Zinger a lot. Zinger is the one that you're seeing out on the market everywhere. It was the original version. What you have here is a power chair that can be folded up just by reaching down and folding it up. It's a total of 10 inches width-wise, and it weighs 47 pounds. So really nice, easy to fold up, and easy to pop apart. When you sit in this chair, what I like to tell people, it's got a foot plate that can be moved, so when you get out or get in, it doesn't actually interfere getting in and out of the chair. So you put your feet up here. You have your armrests here. They do not detach or anything like that, but they have a different drive mechanism. And what we have here is a button that you push, and then you can adjust speed, shows your battery life and everything right here on this. So it's a trigger setting. And as I'm sitting here driving, you will see I can drive around like this, and I have another handle on this side that helps me spin. Okay, so that's how this system works. You kind of drive it what I call like a skid steer or a bobcat or something of that nature. That's how that one works. Does come with a padded seat. It's a lithium battery that is airline-approved. And you know, it's got a little basket underneath that really comes in handy to put stuff in. So it's got a lot of great features. It is a different drive system than most anything on the market today. But the portability side is what is key. So what they've done is, this is the original one, the Zinger, but they've also come out and just changed the name to the Zoomer, which is more of the traditional style power wheelchair, which has the joystick that you see in most power chairs, the common joystick here. Really like this version. Again, 300-pound weight capacity. Still going to be able to pull this lever right here, and just so you can see, that's what folds down right there. And I can pick it up and I can roll it with me, okay? So everything, again, is really easy to deal with. This has actually two batteries right now. There's one in the basket underneath here. But if I want to take the battery out, this is your battery. So it saves you a couple pounds if you're transporting. I think it's like 3.5 pounds is what this battery is. It's, again, super easy to install. You have a locking mechanism. You also have on the back side here where you can unlock the motors and disengage them, where you can push this if you did run out of battery life. You're probably going to get around 8 to 10 hours of drive time on something like this. I always tell people, a lot of times what you're dealing with is how much does the individual weigh that's sitting in this and what terrain you're going over. I'm not a huge fan of telling somebody this will go 8 or 10 miles. In reality, don't know a lot of customers that we've been selling to that ever go 8 or 10 miles. It's just not something that happens. Now, it can do that, but I usually go, it's all based on how much that individual weighs and what the terrain they're going over. One of the things I wanted to also show was on this version here, it says that the width, seat width dimensions are 16 by 13. But that's the actual padded seat portion there. It's actually between the arms, it's 19.5. So you've got plenty of room in here. I'm around 210 and 5'8". So I've got plenty of room to sit in here and sit in this chair. It's a push button, remote, joystick. You can adjust your speed. And then 25 inches as far as the ability to turn, just like I'm doing there. It's got a very tight turning radius, drives really easy. You can put the joystick on the right or left, so it doesn't matter. So you can do that, but it's a great device. It works really well. In the portability side, you can actually put this behind a seat in a vehicle. So if you really want to put this in the back seat, it folds up so tight that you can easily put it in the back seat. You don't even have to put this in the trunk of a car if you don't need to. I think the folding width on the Zoomer is actually 12 inches. So give you an idea, the height is 12 inches, the length is 26, and the overall width is 25 inches. So it's gonna make it through any pretty much door frame in any household that you're dealing with. Again, just a great item that we have here available at All Star Medical in our stores. If you're interested in more information, you can go to allstarmedicalllc.com. We have it on the website. We'll have it in the description below. Feel free to reach out to us at 615-730-9438 for more information on either one of these devices. We'll be glad to help you in any way we can. And as always, we appreciate you watching, and have a great day.